Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. YouTube channel ideas that don't require using your voice or talking. If you're looking to express your creativity without relying on spoken words, these ideas will inspire you to create captivating content. Let's dive in. Visual storytelling. Create visually stunning videos that tell a story through beautiful imagery, editing techniques, and music. Time-lapse creations. Showcase the process of creating art, cooking, or building something by capturing it in captivating time-lapse footage. Artistic animation. Bring your ideas to life through captivating animations, whether they're 2D, stop motion, or even digital animation. Cinematic travel vlogs. Capture the beauty of different destinations through cinematic shots, highlighting the scenery, culture, and adventures without the need for narration. ASMR experiences. Explore the world of ASMR by creating visually pleasing and soothing videos that focus on sounds, textures, and gentle movements. DIY tutorials. Show step-by-step instructions for various DIY projects using on-screen text, subtitles, and visual cues. Gaming montages. Curate exciting gaming moments and highlight epic gameplay sequences with energetic editing and music. Fashion lookbooks. Display different outfits and styling ideas through visually appealing fashion videos without the need for a spoken commentary. Home organization tips. Offer practical tips and hacks for organizing spaces utilizing on-screen text and before and after visuals. Beautiful nature photography. Share breathtaking nature photography captured through a stunning visual and accompanied by calming music. Workout routines. Guide viewers through workout routines using on-screen text, timers, and clear visual demonstrations. Fashion hauls. Showcase fashion and clothing items through visually appealing videos featuring close-ups, styling ideas, and outfit combinations. Cooking challenges. Take on cooking challenges without speaking, relying on on-screen text and visual cues to engage viewers. Product comparisons. Compare different products side by side using on-screen text, graphics, and visuals to help viewers make informed decisions. Art speed paints. Record and share the process of creating artwork in fast motion, allowing viewers to witness the creation from start to finish. Travel guides. Create visually stunning travel guides by showcasing destinations, attractions, and tips without relying on a spoken commentary. These ideas will help you create captivating content that speaks volumes without uttering a word. Remember, the key to success is to stay true to your style, be consistent, and let your creativity shine through. Please note that while the script above provides ideas for YouTube channel without using voice or talking, it is important to consider accessibility and inclusivity. Adding closed captions or subtitles to your videos can make them accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Additionally, providing alternative methods of communication such as text overlays or sign language interpretations can further enhance the inclusivity of your content.